The wireless outdoor security camera kit from aosu offers a comprehensive solution with a smart home base that supports up to 6 cameras and can store footage locally for over 5 years without any subscription fees. With its advanced pan and tilt features, this camera provides full 360-degree coverage and automatically tracks movement, ensuring no moment goes unnoticed. Equipped with a 5-megapixel Ultra HD lens, the camera captures clear and detailed footage both day and night, thanks to its enhanced night vision capabilities. The system is solar-powered, allowing for continuous operation with just 3 hours of sunlight per day, even in low light conditions or colder temperatures, down to -10 degrees Celsius. Installation is hassle-free and can be completed in just 5 minutes without any wiring, making it a convenient choice for those seeking a quick and flexible setup. Users can view feeds from 4 cameras simultaneously in real time, enabling efficient monitoring without the need to switch between different camera views.